We have been to so many different places over the last few months, and sometimes while we're editing, the footage just escapes us. So it's something that is there, but just didn't fit into the video in some way, shape, or form. But it's still interesting things that have happened or that we've done. This week, we are pulling some of that video and showing off those areas. So it could be Babcock County in Wisconsin, or it could be Indiana Dunes in Indiana. It is just generally things that didn't make videos that we want to get out to you guys. There are a couple of upgrades in here, including the Airkrafters inlet, as well as a pad for our compartment. We replaced our coupler lock, just a couple of things like that.
So I spared you the detail, because I'm not going to go through everything. There's too many other good videos out there for installing the inlet. So I'm going to spare you the detail of emptying my closet out. In a second here, I'm going to remove that top cover off that ledge. Check out the Hamblins. Check out 13 Adventures. They've got good install videos. I'm just going to show you that we did it. All right, so this is a new one and the old one. This is all plastic, metal. And just so you know, we already run a regulator here, so we've run that for a while just because we knew that the built-in regulator was a failure point. I'm going to drop this guy on outside. I'm going to put it up with like one screw, check for leaks, make sure we're in good shape. All right, outside's done. Still using this 90 that I got from, I couldn't even tell you where I got it. I'll probably switch it over to a brass at some point, but no leaks on the inside. I'm gonna leave this as a cap for driving out here. I'm trying to figure out what to do with it while it's not in use.
The inlet was a super easy install. If you want some step-by-step directions on how to do it, there's already 2 great videos out there from Ramblin' Hamblins and 13 Adventures. Take a look at their videos. I'll link them in the description.
We're in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Hopefully we'll be able to do a tour too. We're checking out the visitor center so I can get stamps.
Yeah, but really, you're on your own, right? So if you want to skip around, you can, or if you want to skip out that. We got plenty of time. Good, how are you?
We don't need Hershey here, because why?
Because when we're in Hershey, we're going to the Hershey plant and tour that.
It's on video now. We have to do it.
Well, and everyone told us really good, so that's what we're planning on doing.
So like around the corner, they have all the insignia, the buttons and things from people's uniforms.
Oh, from each
So remember when we were in Chattanooga, they had all the all the armies. Mm-hmm. So yeah, each state had a thing. California just has that one little button. There's Louisiana.
Mm-hmm. It's got the pelican and everything.
Oh, that's the die stamp for the buckle, belt buckle.
The surviving veterans of the Civil War were all invited to Gettysburg in 1938. FDR invited them, as well as attended and dedicated the Peace Light Monument there. The gathering commemorated the 75th anniversary of the Battle of Gettysburg. 1,800 veterans from both the Confederate and Union armies attended.
All right, one of the downfalls of being at a rally we were there for like 2 weeks, is these dogs have some pent-up energy, and we're trying to get them relaxed a little. So we're using our little kickball here, which we love.
Bosley doesn't actually chase the ball, he just chases Olive and tries to make sure he is the one that returns the ball. So we're in Indiana again. This is the same park we were in 7 weeks ago, the Elkhart Campground. We're 2 spots over from where we stayed the last time we were here. The spot that we had last time when we got here was having problems with electrical because someone ran over the pedestal. Anyway, today Emily and I are heading over to Indiana Dunes National Park. It's about an hour away, but we missed it last time we were here, really because we forgot about it. We were kind of engrossed in some other things. So that's what we're doing today. And then tomorrow we're on our way back to Jackson Center. Do you think they call it the House of Tomorrow because it's not built yet?
Well, it is the house of tomorrow then. Or next year, or the following year. The house of tomorrow.
It's America's first glass house. So now we're just walking to the beach because the Mount Baldy Dune is closed.
It said on the brochure, make sure to check out Mount Baldy. So that's what we did. I didn't know it would be closed.
That's okay. We'll go back to Lake Michigan. Emily's gonna get a stamp.
It's the most important part of the trip.
It's what?
The most important part of the trip. The whole reason why we came into the visitor center.
We are going to install the Airkrafters pad on the inside of this storage cabinet. And we just started kind of putting it in place. We haven't done anything yet. The one thing that we did do is we flipped these locks all the way around, which makes it easier to get it in place. So the second thing we're going to do is we're going to tape down one side of it. So we've got it where we want it right now, but we're going to tape down one side without moving it.
We're taping down one side so that we can lift the other side, pull some of the 3M tape off. Once that is sticky, then we'll pull the rest off. We did already clean the door, so it is dirt free at the moment.
Just for the moment, though.
Just for the moment. Well, the protector will help it stay dirt free.
She does this like a pro.
It's probably because I used to do some of this before. All right, now we're going to take these off.
You want both of them off?
Yep. Pro tip, you want to try not to touch the sticky stuff, but we probably should have scored this and we didn't.
This is the upgrade, update, whatever you want to call it, that you'll never see.
Right across from the RV show, which you might be able to see a couple of the balloons behind us, is Hershey.
We're in Hershey, Pennsylvania. I feel like you're a little obligated to go to the Hershey whatever. I think it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Plus they make Reese's peanut butter cups.
Which are delicious. I lost you. Oh. It's a welcome mat. Here's another Reese's section. Where'd it go? Holy moly.
It's snack sized.
It's snack size.
It says right there. Hold
All
on.
in one sitting.
They've got a Jolly Rancher. World's largest Hershey's bar.
How many pounds? 5 pounds.
It's 5 pounds.
You'd never have to buy chocolate again.
I don't know what you're talking about. You eat it in one sitting. Home of Hershey's chocolate. Not like here specifically. So
No,
it's like
all
Hershey
these-
Park behind us.
Yeah.
And Emily said, well, that was something.
It's kind of just like a big candy store.
Yeah.
Like a really big candy store
That only sells Hershey's candy.
that only sells Hershey's.
And Dots pretzels for some reason.
It was fun. It was a fun thing to come and do today. And now we're going to go back to the RV show just to walk around.
We're going to walk around the RV show for a few minutes probably today. Changing a couple things out. So first thing is our coupler. Got these from BlueOx. All right, throw them on. That's all like rounded off. That thing got brutalized. Second piece There's that one. This one is not like that big a deal. I actually don't really mind this one, but since I'm going to that and these two are key-alike, I'm gonna flip them around. That gets slipped there. Added to the key ring, good to go.
Thanks for watching this consolidation of clips. A lot of these are fun to film, but don't necessarily make it into a video, and we're excited to get it out there. Hopefully you've made it all the way to the end, and if you have, thanks for watching.